What's up guys, welcome back to No Cap Invest. Today we're going to be talking about 5 recession-proof stocks. First one is going to be ticker MMM. This is 3M. This is one of the most famous, recession-proof stocks out there. They make everything from masks to plastics to all types of different materials. You really can't see a product that 3M doesn't make. It's one of the most solid and safe companies out there, and even if a recession hit, of course it would go down. However, 3M has historically done pretty well during times of economic uncertainty. Next up on the list is going to be ticker IRM. This is Iron Mountain. This is a company that provides document storage solutions, so physical pieces of paper that law firms or financial institutions need to store. So they run a really boring business, but it is a solid business. There's not really that many competitors in the space, and they are one of the safest companies out there. They've done really well in times of economic uncertainty. So as you can see right now, their stock price is up really high. However, during times of economic growth, they don't usually do too well because it is a low margin company, pays about a 4.9% dividend. And of course, be careful with it, but it's also good to add for diversification. Next ticker on the list is going to be ticker MAXR. This is Maxar Technologies. This is a space company that provides satellite services and all kinds of reconnaissance services to the United States government. So this company has scored really juicy contracts with the United States government and the military, and they'll be working with the government for the next 20 to 30 years, and they are providing a service that no one else can. And actually a lot of the satellite images from the war in Ukraine are coming from Maxar Technologies. So this is a defensive stock. It's kind of like a military and space play at the same time. It pays a 0.15% dividend, so extremely small dividend yield. But again, this is a safe stock. It doesn't have the craziest growth potential, but it's also done really well in times of economic uncertainty. Next ticker on the list is a ticker I've talked about before. It's going to be ticker USAC. This is the United States Compression Partners. This is basically a part of the oil industry that provides services of compression for the pipelines and the storage of natural gas. And basically all of the natural gas and oil providers and refineries, they need this service no matter what. No matter if oil prices are high or if oil prices are low, they still need this compression service. Basically, they pay a 12.3% dividend yield, which is pretty high. And of course, they don't have the greatest growth potential. If you look at their stock price, it's been pretty flat for the last few years. Again, it's going to be a more stable, recession-proof stock. Last ticker on the list is going to be ticker SO. This is Southern Company. It is a utility provider, provides electricity, natural gas. Also, it is the utility company that is investing the largest amount in renewable energy and solar and all that kind of stuff. So utility companies are usually pretty safe picks, especially during times of a recession. And this company is doing the most in terms of innovating for the future and future-proofing its business by moving to renewables. It pays a 3.7% dividend yield. Almost everyone wants to have some type of utility company in their portfolio because they are really solid, really safe, and they provide a good diversification. Leave a comment down below what I should make a video about next. Thanks for watching No Cap Invest. Like, subscribe. See you guys next time.